In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use a Target registry for weddings and babies. So let's just get straight into the video. First things first, make sure that you are logged in into your Target application. And all you need to do now is simply go ahead and click on the bottom right profile icon or my Target icon. Now simply click on Registry and Wish List. And this is where you can simply go ahead and click on Wedding Registry and create one right over here, or choose on Baby Registry and go ahead and create one. So there are a couple of benefits and features of these. So you'll receive a 15% discount coupon for items left on your registry, applicable to most items. Target also offers a free welcome kit filled with samples and coupons for baby registry creators. Also enjoy a 1-year return policy on most registry items and allow multiple contributors for larger items. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll